As wildfires continue to burn in California, researchers say they may be adding fuel to another emergency, the pandemic. There's evidence wildfire smoke can put people at greater risk from coronavirus. ABC 10 News anchor Derek Stahl is going in depth to explain what's known and what's still theory.
Parts of California have been blanketed with smoke for weeks, and doctors are worried it could fan the flames of the pandemic.
It's a threat amplifier.
That's because the bulk of wildfire smoke is made up of tiny particulate matter called PM 2.5, which can also be produced by cars and power plants. In April, researchers at Harvard found that just a small increase in this kind of air pollution led to an 8% jump in the death rate from COVID-19. Why? Dr. Abby Olalade of Sharp Reese Staley says there are several theories.
People that are already fighting off a COVID-19 infection already have compromised heart and lung function if they're having severe illness. So that can increase their susceptibility to the effects of wildfires.
The most widely accepted theory is that for people who are already infected, breathing smoke can lodge tiny particles deep in their lungs and into their bloodstream, disrupting their immune systems and potentially leading to more inflammation.
Any chink in the armor, so to speak, is going to really make people have trouble maintaining that incredibly high level of stress.
Another theory is that wildfire smoke could help virus particles travel farther and survive longer, leading to more spread. But Dr. Christian Ramers of Family Health Centers of San Diego says there's less research to back that.
What makes the sky look hazy when you have smoke? It's particles. And so it's conceivable, again, this is kind of conjecture, like I said, but it's conceivable that with more particles in the air, then yes, viruses could latch onto those particles a bit more.
Doctors say there's stronger evidence to suggest that wildfire smoke could help the virus enter a healthy person's body.
Because it triggers an inflammatory response, it could make cells more susceptible to the effect of viruses.
Dr. Olalade says not only does smoke wear down the protective lining in our airways, it stimulates certain receptors in the lungs, the exact receptors that the spike proteins on the coronavirus use to get inside cells.
The virus, binds to those ACE2 receptors, so if there are more of them, then you can have an increased viral load.
Doctors say all kinds of air pollution put us at greater risk from respiratory diseases like coronavirus, not just wildfire smoke. But one thing's for sure, Californians have been exposed to a lot of smoke lately. Since the beginning of the year, wildfires have burned an area larger than the entire county of San Diego. Derek Stahl, ABC 10 News.